brought you here?
It's my relative.
It's a real estate.
My relative.
Okay.
Relative.
You are relatives.
Yes, sir.
Okay, family code.
Yes.
Okay. Are you a graduate?
Yes, sir.
You're a graduate?
Yes, sir.
Which university?
Ebonyi State University.
Ebonyi State University.
Yes, sir.
Which course are you doing?
I read Agri-Economics.
You learn Agrican comment.
Agri-Economics. Agri-Economics.
Eh?
Agri-Economics. Agri-Economics.
Agri-cantons.
Economists. Agri-Economists.
Why are you laughing? Are you afraid of your qualification?
No.
Eh?
No, sir.
Can you defend your cause?
Yes, sir.
They say you lead agreement, sir.
Agri-Economics. Agri-Econs.
Which is be
Agri-Economics.
Okay, economics, not econs.
Yes, sir.
Econs is like a tom bomb.
Okay, sir.
Economics. So what is the course is heading to?
It's all about management of farm.
Okay.
I'm a farmer.
You're
so
a farmer?
I'm a farm manager, yes.
You're a farm manager?
Yes.
I'm a farm manager?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So what can you manage now?
I can manage your farm.
You can manage your farm?
Yes.
Have you farmed before?
Remember, I'm from Ebonyi State.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have been farming?
Yes, sir. From home.
From home?
Even before I got the admission.
Okay, before you got admission?
Yes. Yes, sir.
My
rice.
In our rice?
Yes, sir.
In our kede?
Yes, sir.
Do you dance that music?
Oh, yeah, na kede.
Yes,
sir.
You are the little Deiko. Oh my God. You come down from where?
Kabanchan in Kaduna State, sir.
Kabanchan?
Kabanchan, Kaduna State.
I said I will travel to Kabanchan. Where's the Kabanchan? Which country?
Kaduna State, Nigeria. Kaduna State, Nigeria.
Which Nigeria? I don't understand.
Southern Kaduna. He's known as Southern Kaduna.
Is it where?
Southern Kaduna.
Which country is Kabanchan?
Kaduna State, Nigeria.
Kaduna State, Nigeria.
It's not that Kabanchan I'm talking about. I don't understand you. Kabanchan is it in Nigeria?
Yes, sir. Not Chad.
Oh, Agent City.
It's not Chad.
Very Agent City.
Where to be Agent City?
You don't tell it, don't
Old
exist.
City.
I thought Kabanchan is in Taiwan.
No, sir.
I'm not going Kabanchan. I just say I want to go to Kabanchan. I don't know which Kabanchan are you talking. Nigeria. Is it Nigeria?
It's in Nigeria, sir.
Immediately you say Taiwan. Is it Taiwan? I say we are traveling. I will cure the man so that we can go to Taiwan.
So,
We can go to Kabanchan. And I don't know it's Nigeria. How can we do this now? Because I just made them know that Kabanchan. You are a pastor. What are you? What is your practitioner?
no, I'm one of medical dealers.
You are the one of the medical dealers.
Yes. Yes.
Medical dealers.
Yes. Are you a
It's
pharmacist?
Are you a pharmacy?
No. But
It's like a medical dealer. It's like a spare parts dealers.
no.
Are you a spare parts dealers? You are a medical dealer. What do you mean by medical dealer?
Patent medical dealers. Patent medical dealers. Patent medical dealers. Patent medical dealers.
Patient medical.
Patent.
What do you mean by serpent?
Patent.
Patent.
Yes.
What do you mean by patent?
Those small drugs, I can deal with it.
Okay, small drugs.
Yes. Like routine drugs.
Are you a chemist, man?
No. You are listening wholesale.
Oga, who are you?
I am one of medical dealers.
He said you are a patent.
Yes.
He said you are giving small drugs.
Yes. And deal with it.
You deal with it.
Yes.
Are you a small doctor?
I'm not a doctor.
Are you a nurse?
I'm not a nurse.
This is what they got carry. You are not a doctor. You are not a nurse. You are not a chemist. And you are a patent. I say, which one is petty? This is the first time I can get this petty paint man.
Exactly, sir.
You know, this, sometimes you decided what you will be. This man is not a doctor, but they can give drugs. Is it not true?
We are not giving drugs. We are staying in wholesale department.
Are you Gloria? Yeah. Are you Gloria?
Yes, sir.
Asamoah from Kumasi.
Yes, sir.
From Kumasi.
Yes, sir.
You are not in the house.
Hey, the prophetic.
You are not in the house.
The eye of the ghost.
Can I go deeper?
Go deeper, Papa.
Can I go deeper?
Go deeper. Push it.
Have we met before?
Yes, sir.
Oh, she doesn't know what she's talking about.
She doesn't know.
I mean, have we met face to face? Talk to me.
Yes, Papa. We met at the warehouse yesterday.
Oh, she doesn't know what she's
Papa,
talking
help
about.
this young lady.
She doesn't need help.
She needs help, Papa. Help
She
her.
doesn't know me.
The bulldozer
I
himself.
am the bulldozer himself.
That's right. You
The
cannot miss
prophetic
it.
bulldozer.
Prophetic bulldozer.
Can I go deeper?
Go deeper, Papa.
Can I help this lady?
Help this young lady.
I see the realm of the spirit.
Push it, Papa.
16th of May 2020.
Cuts.
Your father died.
Push it.
That is what the Lord is showing me.
Push it, Papa.
Your father died 16th May 2020. Talk to me. Talk to me.
My father is not dead. My father is currently in Kumasi, very strong and healthy.
Cuts. She doesn't know what he's talking about. The prophetic bulldozer.
Oh, she doesn't know.
She needs help, Papa. Help this young lady.
I know what I'm talking about.
The bulldozer
I
himself.
say your father died 19th May 2020. Talk to me.
Papa, my father is not dead. My father is currently in Kumasi, very strong and healthy.
Cuts. She doesn't know what he's talking about. The prophetic bulldozer.
Oh, she doesn't know.
She needs help, Papa. Help this young lady.
I know what I'm talking about.
The bulldozer
I
himself.
say your father died 19th May 2020. Talk to me.
Papa, my father is not dead. My father is currently in Kumasi, very healthy.
You don't know what you are talking about.
She needs help.
I am the prophetic bulldozer. Can I go deeper?
Go deeper, Papa.
Can I help this lady?
Help this young lady.
I see the realm of the spirit that you have 5 siblings. Talk to me. 5 siblings. 5.
Papa, I only have 2 siblings.
I say you have 5 siblings.
5 siblings.
That is what the Lord is showing me.
I only have 2 siblings.
Listen, you don't need help.
She doesn't need help, Papa.
It's like you are going crazy. She needs psychiatric help.
Yes, Papa.
Take her away.
Go, 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 go.
Can you give the Lord a shout?
The prophetic bulldozer. The oracle himself. The prophetic bulldozer. The oracle himself.
Why are you boasting us what you don't have? Why are you living a fake life? Why are you living a life to please people? Why don't you just be who you are? And those who will accept you, will accept you. And those who will not accept you, will not accept you. Even if you fake it, those who will not accept you, they will not accept you. Even if you make it real, those who will accept you, will accept you. Always understand that. Don't ever go out of your way to please everybody. You will end up not pleasing anybody. Don't please anybody. Don't try to please everybody. If your ways are good with certain people, they will align with you. And if your ways are not good with certain people, they will not align with you. It doesn't make them your enemy, and it doesn't make you their enemy. It only means you have divided interest.
Why are you laughing me?
I just like I didn't know that you were single, sweetheart.
I'm not a single looker, or
I thought maybe you will have a boyfriend.
no, I'm boyfriendless.
Oh, you're boyfriendless. Okay, what brings
Yeah.
you here during the day like this, Pamela?
Me, I'm single. I've been coming into your lives, and a lot of people are from the guys, so I had no choice to come up.
Okay. So tell me, what type of a man are you looking for?
Okay, my name is Pamela.
Mm-hmm.
I'm Kenyan. I lived in Nairobi. I'm 23 years old. I have my business. I am a cleaner in Kenya. I wash carpets. I'm a mattress cleaner. Yeah. So I am a singular and I need someone 30 years plus. Yeah, at least to be with me. Yeah. 30 years plus. Someone who is manifold. Someone who has work. Who mostly someone who is working in government area.
Okay, so which countries do you prefer, Pamela?
I think Hungary.
In Hungary?
Yeah, Hungary or any yellow person.
In European countries?
Any yellow person, someone mzungu, you know mzungu?
Oh, you're talking about yellow person. Okay, mzungu. Oh, you're looking for mzungu.
Yeah.
Okay, so when was your last relationship, Pamela?
Me, I dated last time. I dated now this
relationship, Pamela.
Me, I dated last time. I dated now this. Me. I have never dated for 4 years now. Have never dated for 4 years. I dated the person given me pregnancy. When he got me pregnancy, I leaved him. After leaving him, she never came back into my. She blocked me and I said, "Hey, may thunder threaten this man." So I've never dated again.
So do you have a baby?
Yeah, she got me pregnant and I babied my kid at home. She's at home with my mom.
Oh, how old is your baby?
This week she's 3 years old, Tana.
Oh, she's a girl or a boy?
Boy child.
Pamela, don't kill me now. She's a boy child.
You're welcome to the land of Igbo. You're welcome. If you go say me, can you make ya a color?
Sir?
Can you make, what do you do now? A color?
No, I say thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
that is what they call Oluko Jesu. Adupe. Which one is a color?
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good one is a color. Which one is
a castle?
A castle.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Which one is a kembwede? A
kalesa. A
kalasa.
Yes, sir.
Good evening. Okay, from the morning, a color.
A caro, sir.
In afternoon, boy.
A castle, sir.
A careless.
A castle. A castle.
A castle. In the car, a night, what?
A kurole. In the evening.
Okay, in the evening.
In the night.
In the evening, what?
A kurole.
A kurole.
In the night.
In the night.
A kalesa.
A kalasa.
A kalesa.
That is me, so now I'm going to nasa.
Yes, sir.
A kabade.
You're welcome to me.
Come to do a kabade.
You're welcome to me. Oh my God. Go and wait for me and prepare your. So who brought you down here?
A friend.
Who is a friend?
Please, who brought this sister here?
A friend. Are you the friend? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Which kind of friend?
She's my friend.
I say, which kind of friend? This is my friend. Is it a friend indeed? Or a friend for marriage?
A friend for marriage.
Make kotagonge now. Ekonyegonge. Also, my friend. Do you want him to marry you?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Oga, your marriage has started. Your marriage has started. Your marriage has started. Nobody can separate you. No father can separate you. No mother can separate you.
Thanks for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any question, leave it at the comment section. If you have not liked this video, please give me thumbs up. Help me share this video. Subscribe to my channel. And after subscribing, remember to turn on your notification bell so that whenever we have a new video, you'll be notified. Thanks so much. Help me share. Bye.